Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today we are diving into the world of stylish Christmas nail art designed for girls. If you love festive vibe, sparkling nails and cozy winter looks, then you are going to adore these creative nail ideas. We will explore everything from cute snowflake pattern to red and gold glitter style, perfect for your Christmas celebration. You can never go wrong with a glossy red base pair with snowflakes or candy cane stripes. Add a hint of gold glitter on one Asian nail from that magical touch. Matte green nails with white snow dot are another chic and simple idea. These timeless colors instantly bring out the festive charm or Christmas. For those who love sparkle, this section is for you. Gold bold with silver charm nail or try rose gold glitter ombre. Use chunky glitter on the tips or near the cuticle for a foresty ice effect. Pairing glitter polish with glossy top coat gives your nail a salon finishes shine. Perfect for Christmas parties and New Year Eve celebration. Try painting little Santa face, snowman, reindeers, or candy cane on your Asian nail. You can use a dotting tool or a tin brush for detail like eyes and heads. Add a little sparkle with rhinestone or silver stud for a fun 3D touch. These cute designs are perfect for younger girls or anyone who loves cheerful festive nails. If you prefer something elegant, go for a winter wonderland vibe. Think icy blue nails with white snowflakes, pearl shimmer polish, or silver foliation. Add gradient effect using a sponge to blend light blue into white. Finishes with a glossy top coat for a frozen crystal look. These are sophisticated yet festive, perfect for any Christmas event. Sometimes less is more. Try nude or sheer pink nail with a tiny gold star or simple white snowflakes. Add a single line of gold glitter at the base or tip for a modern touch. These minimalist designs are trendy, elegant, and go with any outfit. Great for those who like subtle Christmas vibe without going overboard. Nothing says Christmas luxury like red and gold nail. Paint your nails deep crimson and add thin golden stripes or foil. Mix matte and red nails with shiny gold accent for contrasts. Add small gems or a golden snowflake stickers on one finger to complete the royal festive look. It's classy, glamorous, and totally picture perfect for holiday parties. Combine 2 or 3 Christmas designs together. Alternate nails with candy cane stripes, glitter, gradient, and snowflakes. Add texture with rhinestone or tiny pearls for a 3D appearance. Play around with matte and glossy finishes to make your design stand out. This section is all about creativity. Make your nail your holiday canvas. Make sure your nails are clean, filed, and shaped is perfect before you start. Use base coat to protect your nail and quick dry top coat to seal the design. If you do not have professional tools, toothpicks and bobbin pin work great for dot and line. Always let each layer dry properly before applying the next. And remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's stylish Christmas nail art collection. Whether you love bold glitter or minimal festive looks, there's a design here for everyone. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative nail idea every day. Comment below your favorite design. I had loved to know which one you will try this Christmas. Thanks for watching and happy holiday. Stay stylish, stay confident. Thank you. Bye.